was back in August of 2023. I had a bout with sciatica. Pretty much affected my left side to the point where I wasn't able to walk for more than like 30 seconds. The nerve pain was shooting all the way down my left side, behind my calf, down to the soles of my feet. So I couldn't walk, couldn't sleep, even sitting was difficult for me. From a scale of 1 to 10, it was probably like a 10. When I went to Dr. Brad's office, it was actually his old office. I could barely stand for more than like a minute, and just getting up to stand, the burning pain just radiated down my left side, and it was like probably like worst experience I've ever experienced in my life. Trying to determine what the main cause of it was. I remember we did initial x-rays. I think that was our second visit, and we found that there was a slight disc bulge in my back. It was difficult for me because the pain was so bad that I was just thinking it was like a whole bunch of different things. Initially I thought it was like piriformis on the buttocks, so I thought it was that, but Dr. Brad quickly found that it was actually a bulge in like my lower spine. Shortly after, he recommended that we do decompression. Initially I was like kind of skeptical, but for the pain, I felt like it was my only option. That or like surgery, and I didn't want surgery. So I felt like for me, the best option was the decompression along with the adjustments and the muscle therapies. In the new office, the new machines were much more better. I felt like my body was reacting way more positively to it. Another thing he mentioned was making sure that I was not only like doing the decompression, but also doing like the stretches and exercises. So after each session, I felt like my body was getting stronger, and I was able to do some of the exercises longer and then more repetitively. I just had trust that if I was continuing with the decompression and the stretches, I would eventually get back to where I wanted to be. From August, when I came to Dr. Brad, it took about like 2 months of 2 to 3 sessions each week. After that, I felt like I was able to start doing more activities. So I was able to sleep, I was able to walk. I'm pretty much doing everything that I was able to do. The sciatica is completely gone. I'm actually doing more than what I was doing prior to my injury. Not only the exercises and the workouts that I've done in the past. It's worth it. Between that and the pain, I'm gonna take the decompression, especially if your condition is as bad as mine was. It's not only the decompression that helps mitigate the sciatica, it's also the exercises, especially the core. Decompression is one thing. It's a process that you have to trust, listening to your body, making sure you're not overdoing it like me. Just trust the process.